In this lesson, we use the double angle formulae to find exact values in other trigonometric functions. The double angle formula for sine is, here is the formula for cosine and the formula for tan. We will use these three equations throughout this lesson. If tan theta equals 3/4, find tan 2 theta. We use the double angle formula and substitute each tan theta with the fraction 3/4. 2 tan theta becomes 2 times 3/4. 1 minus tan squared theta means 1 minus 3/4 squared. We now simplify this result. 2 times 3/4 equals 6/4, and 3/4 squared equals 9/16. 1 minus 9/16 equals 7/16. 6/4 divided by 7/16 equals 24/7. This is the value of tan 2 theta. We leave it as a fraction in exact form. If tan theta equals 3/4, find sine 2 theta, where theta is between 0 and pi/2. This time we have tan but need sine. We first find sine theta and cos theta. We draw a triangle to represent this angle. For angles between 0 and pi/2, the triangle is here. Now tan equals opposite over adjacent. If tan theta equals 3/4, the opposite is 3 and the adjacent is 4. We use Pythagoras to find the hypotenuse, which is 5. Sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, so sine theta equals 3/5. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 4/5. Now we can find sine 2 theta using the double angle formula. Sine 2 theta becomes 2 times 3/5, and cos theta equals 4/5. 2 times 3/5 times 4/5 equals 24/25. Therefore, sine 2 theta equals 24/25. If cos theta equals 12/13, find sec 2 theta, where theta is between 3 pi/2 and 2 pi. Angles between 3 pi/2 and 2 pi are in the fourth quadrant. Cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, so the adjacent equals 12 and the hypotenuse equals 13. Using Pythagoras, the opposite side is 5, or minus 5 since it is downwards. Therefore, sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, or minus 5/13. Now sec is 1 over cos, therefore sec 2 theta is 1 over cos 2 theta. We use the cos 2 theta double angle formula to work it out. We just substitute the values of cos theta equals 12/13 and sine theta equals minus 5/13. We get 1 over 12/13 squared minus 5/13 squared. Squaring the fractions, we get 144/169 and 25/169. Subtracting the fractions on the denominator, we get 119/69. More simply, this is 169 over 119. We leave the answer as a fraction in exact form. Visit mathsathome.com for further videos and practice.